to today's video, and we are going to be doing our Pro Pack opening. So, I was planning on getting some other packs, like a Legends pack, which I have opened already, but it will be in the next video, along with an All-Pro pack. So, that one will also have some season gameplay. So this one, it's just going to be a couple Pro Packs. I think it's like 10 or something. Yeah, 10. So I'm just going to open like 10 Pro Packs and then see what I get. So we have just started this channel up, and we are doing fairly well. I've told a lot of people that I was going to start it up. So let's get into our first Pro Pack. I'm hoping for out of these 10 Pro Packs, like one Elite, because I've spent a lot of money. Okay, there we get a gold. I've been just like, also, yeah, thank you to my friends who have, donated me a couple Pro Packs. Like, thank you especially to Josh and, let's see, Jack Conrad, Kyle Tugnetti, and special thanks to James, because he did open a Legend pack, and that will be in our next video. So, nothing too good yet. Just a couple golds. You know what? Let's try the nose tactic. An 82. That's our best pull. Okay, let's try like the reveal all. Nothing. The funny thing is some of these bronze players have like insane speed, like these people don't. But like, so you can just like be going through like a quarterback, and then you'll find like a quarterback with like 90 speed randomly. It's kind of funny, actually. See, look, this wide receiver has like 90 speed. Okay, we're down to about 3 Pro Packs, and we have not gotten our Elite pull. Good news is we can get a bunch of trophy packs and hopefully make our money back. God darn it. Okay, and we are down to our last Pro Pack. I think we've got to do the nose tactic. It's worked for me. Please, come on, Elite. Elite. Darn it. No Elite there, but I mean, we can put them in sets. So I'll open one of these. Okay, let's see. We get a silver. Yeah, 1 gold. Okay, that's decent. Okay. And this is... Okay, so... Ooh, there's an Elite. So I am going to end the video here. Thank you guys for...
All my diamonds shine, 'cause they really diamond.